Hello, today I have a 2018 Ford F150 and it's the 5.0 liter engine. I want to show you the explanation for firing order, the location for camshaft position sensor and the oxygen sensor. So let's start with the firing order. Start from here. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the firing order. Bank 1, passenger side. Bank 2 is the driver side. So the camshaft position sensor, bank 1 exhaust side is the one outside here. Camshaft position sensor intake side, this one right here. Bank 2 camshaft position sensor exhaust side is the one outside here. Intake side is the one inside here. Now let me show you the oxygen sensor. Bank 1 sensor 1 and bank 1 sensor 2. Passenger side. Go down here. So bank 1 sensor 1 is the one on top right here. Bank 1 sensor 2 is the one in the bottom right here. So driver side, bank 2 sensor 1, the top one. Bank 2 sensor 2, the bottom one. That'll be it. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, just comment below. Please like and subscribe for more videos.